try explain. Tell me no why you're none fear stress my brain. Me hex them vex them still a text and still a try fi explain. See me pon the right gal, better take the left lane. Hex a try hex.
Kick it now. Goal. Suck your mother. Batty boy. Go suck your mother. One that. Let's go. One that. Let's go. Alright, there's no way that is a goal. The man hands the ball right so. Hands the freaking ball right so. You ain't could have right so, you know. But the hand the right so you might do hands the ball right so. Alright. Game's about to start, restart. One be start is on. Valiant, I think. Bruno, you can't make them pass there. You cannot make them pass there, Bruno. You get with this a while ago. Don't do it again. Cool. Clad. Well done. Well fucking done, man. Clad. Yes! Well fucking done. Finally. Get another one. And another one. And another Clad one. Cool. Suck your mama. Ah! Good friggin' goal, man. Bruno with the header. Well done. No. Suck your mama. Good ball, Bruno. Good ball. No. Come on! Give the ball! Give the ball! Give the ball! Give him the ball! Give him the ball. Give him the ball! How the fuck are you so worthless, Workhorse? How? How are you so worthless? How? Why? Why? Look there. Bumbleclad! Me don't understand. Me not get it. Look there. Me Bumbleclad! How the man can be so worthless? How? Why Workhorse so Bumbleclad worthless? Why? What opportunity that? A 5 up, 6 up, 7 of them fianda. 5, 6, 7, 8, but 10 goals in score. 10 Bumbleclad goals in score. What the fuck? What in the fuck? Come on, Pedestri. Good job here, man. What, 17? What I take off Fred for? Casemiro for come off the field. Casemiro for come off of the field. Casemiro for come off of the field. The man for a yellow card. One more and the game done. He not play the next game. Finally! Bumbo won! Sick me Bumbleclad stomach. The amount of goal the Bumbleclad man get. Welcome, people. Listen, welcome back to the channel, fam. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure you drop a like on the video, please, and drop a subscribe down there if you're brand new as well, please. Very, very important for us. We'll grow the channel as well, so please drop a like on the video and subscribe on the bottom. This was the response we needed. This is very much the response we needed, but not what we required. We should have been 7, 8 goals up today. I'm no clinical in terms of, I'm no critical about Manchester United playing football and scoring a lot more goals because they can. They can and they should. I'm counting 4 goals in particular where we should have scored. 2 from Anthony, 2 from Workhorse. Not the 4 that we scored, no, but the 4 that we should have scored. So I want to hear your mouth, but we played well and we deserve to recover from what happened on Sunday with Liverpool. No, we should have been 8 goals today, not 4, 8. That's how good we played, especially in the second half. Especially in the second half. I don't want to hear your mouth, but we recovered and we need that response. We should have won that game by 8-1 today. But good game, brilliant response from the team, brilliant response from Ten Hag. So the same team make them play football. I like that. I saw Sancho on the field getting past players. That dude, man, Pelestri. That dude, Pelestri. Give him the ball, run on the players, make it happen. The way I stop like Anthony. Give him the ball, run on the players, make a cross. Give him the ball, hit shots. That's it, Pelestri. Good friggin' job, Pelestri. Good friggin' job. Had it not been for Pelestri, you wouldn't get your goal, It wouldn't be if had it not been for Pelestri, you wouldn't get your one goal, I'm talking to you. Weg horse, worse horse, whatever the fuck you want him. I'm still upset because of what's going on Sunday, so it's kind of spilling out on what I'm saying right now. But good game, good freaking game. Move on to Sunday. We have Southampton on Sunday. Move on to Sunday and move on to next week. Thank you very much, people. Make sure you drop a like and rate, and don't forget subscribe for brand new. Thank you very much, people, for watching. Manaz.